At IT Pros Management, we eliminate downtime with security-first, locally staffed IT services. Trusted by leading partners and clients, we deliver expert support you can count on. Cut IT issues by 50% in just 3 months. Get answers in 60 minutes, resolutions in 30. One dedicated IT team replaces vendor runarounds and keeps your business moving forward. Local experts always on. Our US-based engineers know your environment inside out, delivering rapid response and on-site support without offshore delays or miscommunication. Strategy that scales with your business. Our vCIOs craft IT roadmaps and budgets that cut costs, reduce risks, and align technology to your growth goals for long-term success. Secure web design is built in. With Secure Site 360, your digital presence is protected by security-first hosting and design that safeguards your brand and client trust. Trusted by more than 575 end users, IT Pros Management delivers results with 98.6% client retention and 15+ years of proven experience in the IT services industry. Our clients say IT Pros Management turned their IT from a constant burden into a growth engine. They trust us to keep systems secure, stable, and ready for what's next. Take control of your IT today. Contact IT Pros Management and secure your future with a partner committed to your success.